Hello everyone, this is Joel from the Geek podcast, and today we're going to do a little product review for you. So recently I've been looking for some rim protectors for my car. My Tesla rims have been kind of getting nicked up lately, and I really don't want to spend the money to have all of them redone. So I was trying to look for some rim protectors to kind of help cover them and protect them. So I came across these awesome ones at evbase.com. So if you haven't checked out evbase.com, they're an online seller of Tesla accessories, and they sell stuff at great prices. So order some of these. Got a great set for a great price. I got a set of 4. Also with this rim protector comes some double-sided tape. So what you do with this double-sided tape is you kind of line the inside around the rim protector. So that kind of prevents rubbing from the rim protector and the wheel. So what we're going to do is we're going to reposition ourselves. I already installed 2 of these on the other side. I'm going to tell you it was simple. I'm telling you literally less than a minute to get them done. But I really want to show you how easy it is to get these installed. This is a great alternative to having your rims redone in the event that you get some curb rash on them. So let's reposition the camera and show you how easy these things are to put on and show you how well they blend in with your car. All right, we're ready to get started here. I got my double-sided tape on here. Reminder, these are from evbase.com. Great price for a set of 4. Other 2 already installed. Took me like 5 minutes. We're going to show you how easy it is to install these and pop them back off if you need to. So as you can see, we're going to line up the tire valve with this hole right here. Kind of place it in there like that. Snap it on and just work your way around snapping this on. As you can see, we're all snapped in. Double check it. We're all good. As you can see, it looks great. It blends in well with the tire. Can't even tell it's on there. If anything has to happen, you got to take it off. Just go around. And these things snap back on. I've been around with these around town for the last week and a half. Haven't had any issues. Don't hear any noise. Don't hear any rattling. Great product by EVBase. And if you go right now to evbase.com and use promo code EVGeek, they'll give you 20% off this order and 20% off any other order as well. So that's evbase.com. Use product code EVGeek. You get 20% off your entire order. Thanks for joining us, everyone.